Speak English, Level 1.
Hello, and welcome to Speak English Level 1, the podcast for learners who want to speak English naturally with confidence, calmness, and fun. I'm Tom, your English coach and friend. Let me ask you something. Do you ever think, I understand English, but I can't speak? Or maybe, I'm afraid to make mistakes? You're not alone. Every learner feels that way at first. But today, I'll show you how daily conversation practice can completely change the way you speak English, step by step, naturally, every single day. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and get ready to listen, repeat, and shadow with me. Even if you feel shy, even if your schedule is full, you can still speak English every single day. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You don't need expensive classes or perfect grammar. You need small, smart, repeatable actions, tiny habits that fit into your daily life, like brushing your teeth, checking your phone, or drinking coffee. Because here's the secret. Daily conversation practice trains both your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you think in English, not translate. It builds muscle memory, so your tongue, lips, and brain move naturally in rhythm with English sounds. If you keep going, just 5 minutes a day, you'll soon start speaking without fear, without overthinking. That's real fluency. So, what does daily conversation practice really mean? It's not about long lessons or memorizing grammar rules. It's about using English in small, natural ways every day. You can talk about your morning routine, your plans, your thoughts, or even your lunch. You don't need perfect sentences. You don't even need big words. You just need to start speaking. When you hear me say something, repeat it out loud. Copy the rhythm, copy the sound, copy the feeling. Don't think too much. Don't translate in your head. Just speak like an echo. That's how your mouth learns. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence, then pause for you to repeat. I am drinking coffee in the morning. I walk to the market every day. I enjoy listening to English music. At first, it might feel strange, even funny. That's okay. Every language learner feels that way. Your brain is building new pathways. Keep repeating, and English will start to flow naturally. Now, try this one. I speak English with confidence. Good job! Here's a simple but powerful trick. Talk to yourself. When you wake up, describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm making tea. It may sound silly, but it trains your brain to think in English, automatically, without translation. Even 1 or 2 minutes of this helps your fluency grow daily. And remember, it's not about perfect grammar. It's about connection and comfort with English. Next, repeat real English conversations. Watch a short clip or listen to a podcast. Then, copy each line just like an actor learning a scene. Let's try a quick one. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm great, thanks. How about you? A. I'm fine too. What are you doing today? B. I'm going for a walk in the park. This is simple English, but powerful practice. You're training your ears, your mouth, and your brain all at once. Now, bring English into your world. Change your phone or computer language to English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to your mirror in English. Every small use matters. You can say, I'm checking my messages. I'm writing an email. I'm watching a short English video. The more you live with English, the more natural it becomes, like breathing. This one is powerful. Record yourself speaking. Take 1 minute a day to talk about your life. Say things like, today I learned a new English word. I met my friend for lunch. I watched an English video about travel. Then listen to your own voice. Don't judge, just notice. Over time, you will hear your improvement. Clearer pronunciation, smoother rhythm, more confidence. Finally, find someone to talk to, online or in person. Join a language group, a Facebook community, or an English Discord server. Start simple. How's your day? What's your favorite movie? Do you like music? Every small chat gives you real experience. You learn to listen, respond, and express your ideas naturally. Remember, mistakes are proof you're learning. Let's review together. Speak small sentences every day. Repeat what you hear. Use English in real life. Record yourself. Talk to others. Even 5 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Now, repeat after me. I talk in English every day. I listen and repeat short sentences. I learn English naturally, step by step. You are doing great. Keep going. That's it for today's episode of Speak English Level 1. Remember, fluency is not magic. It's habit, practice, and patience. Every word you speak, every sentence you repeat, builds your confidence and skill. So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking English every single day. Thank you for joining me. I'm Tom, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, stay motivated, and keep speaking English with joy.